How do you have the power to put sin out of your life? How do you have the desire? You know, sometimes the problem is you don't have the desire to overcome this thing. You know, you've been addicted to this sin for so long. It's a behavior pattern that is set up in your life, maybe 30, 40 years, and you know it's wrong, you know it's evil, you know it's ugly in God's sight, and you want to do something about it. But what you struggle with, you don't even have the desire to quit it, and you sure don't have the power. Well, the next holy day after that is Pentecost, which is about receiving the Spirit of Christ, which is the Holy Spirit, which is the power of God. So all of this is being set up in place. You have the Passover, the sacrifice of Jesus Christ. You have next holy day that we're going to talk about on the next program is the days of unleavened bread. Shall we continue in sin that grace may abound? God forbid. There is a way out of your sin. And then, of course, with Pentecost, we're going to deal with receiving the power to do just that. So, you know, all of these are about Jesus Christ. The Passover is about Jesus Christ. The days of unleavened bread is about Jesus Christ, putting Christ in, putting sin out. Pentecost is about Jesus Christ, receiving the Spirit of Christ. And I'm telling you, if you've been in church for 40 years and you've never heard this stuff, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on your preacher at least. You know, you need to be educated about these wonderful holy days that are found. Well, I'm not talking about traditions of men like Christmas. You know, Christmas is man's method for celebrating God. That just doesn't fly in the face of God. He doesn't give us the freedom to choose our own method for worshiping Him. He has 7 holy days, which are 7 appointments with God. Okay? If you had an appointment with your doctor, with your lawyer, you wouldn't call your doctor or lawyer up and say, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be there. No. These are 7 appointments with God.